Hey Wildcats, this is Mr. Graber here. So we're announcing our awards for March. So we'll start once again like we always do with our Service Above Self, which is sponsored by the Rotary Club, and this goes to a third grader who goes above and beyond with their actions. So this month's recipient is third grader Madeline Malone. So congratulations to Madeline. Next to our Wildcats of the Month, and so this is sponsored by our Harrisonville Police Department. So we'll start with our first grade. Our first grade Wildcats of the Month are Cody Vanover and Harmony Wallace. Our second grade Wildcats of the Month are Emma Britton and Ava Ty. And finally, our third grade Wildcats of the Month are Johnny Moylan and Cage Cantrell. So congratulations to all those Wildcats. And finally, we have our Counseling Award, which is an award given by myself or Mrs. Sumner for a class that we feel really demonstrates good character and great discussion. So this month's Counseling Award goes to third grade class Miss Baldwin. So congratulations to Miss Baldwin's class.
Hi Wildcats! It's time for our March Character Trait Award winners. The Character Trait Award winners are given to two students chosen by their classroom teacher who have exhibited optimism during the month of March. The recipients are always positive and encouraging to others. Congratulations to our Character Award winners for March. Jackson Ritter, Miguel Alvarez, Dane Clausen, Ivy Masden, Nolan Davis, Reese Cooper, Riley Cox, Jade Hendren, Araya George, Emerson Matthews, Raylan Neal, Eli Wiedemann, Jordan Roach, Henry Marshall, Liam Coltrane, Jack O'Connell, Aaliyah Thomas, Maylee Schleem, Avalyn Hunter, Leo Teeter, Leilani Madrid, Keegan Coltrane, James Morgan, Jamie Cheshire, Ashley Erickson, Raven Tomlin, Emily Smith, James Williams, Macy Plum, Brogdon Witherspoon, Colton Houston, Peyton Bulin, McKinley Marriott, Bryce Gregory, Layla Hickson, Gage Butler, Titan Schaus, Grace Malone, Avery Horan, Connor Baker, Isaiah Berg, Gavin Gunner, Caleb Bird, and Zeke Brune. Congratulations, winners. Good afternoon, Wildcats. It's time to do our Mathematician of the Month award. This award is given to one student, chosen by their classroom teacher, that has done an outstanding job within math over the past month. Whether in-class participation, assignments, or practice, they have gone above and beyond what is expected to achieve more in math. Today we are presenting awards to our March mathematicians. Congratulations to the recipients. Jackson Ritter, Alyssa O'Connor, Jabriah Spratt, Jackson Whelan, Judson Meeks, Raylan Neal, Levi Kurzweil, Zachary Pruitt, Lexi Gott, Isaac Yoshimoto, Emily Soriano, Madison Cavender, Charlie Bollinger, William Gunner, Macy Plum, Summer Brown, Abel Cass, Lee Lieber, Lyndon Jomway, Henry Knox, Jake Butler, Adeline Cannonblee, and Mario Villa. Congratulations, March mathematicians.
Wildcat family, so excited. I want to introduce to you two little first graders that are going to be singing a solo in one of our upcoming Bug songs in our first grade musical. This is Reagan Passau and Harper Chenoweth, and they just want to share a little bit of advice with you this morning. 1, So our Bugs performance, our first graders are going to be performing coming up on May 4th and May 5th. Parents should have already received an email from me about that, and hopefully there'll be some more details coming out soon to you. Students this week should be coming home with special speaking parts and solos within the next few days. Well, today I'm excited to share with you again some more music awards, and I want to start with our class awards, the students who have really been working hard in the music room to make good choices and to improve as musicians. So our third grade winners this month is Mrs. Hammond's class. Our second grade winners are Miss Harrigan's class, and our first grade winners are Mrs. Arnold's class. Congratulations. Next, I'd like to share with you all of our individual Music Star Awards, beginning with Miss Arbace's class. Congratulations to Gavin Guchar. In Mrs. Baldwin's class, congratulations to Reese Cooper. In Mr. Baraska's class, congratulations to Soralyn Castro. In Mrs. Hammond's class, Oakley Gibbons. In Miss Hassick's class, Liam Hawkins. Miss Hayden's class, Jackson Thompson. And Mrs. Hopper's class, Brinley Terwilliger. In second grade, Mrs. Castellano's class, Sadie Jones. Mrs. Durnell's class, Presley Ryman. Miss Harrigan's class, Charlie Kellogg. Mrs. Hastings' class, Austin Houston. Mrs. Schenker's class, Lincoln Fleshman. Mrs. Siegenthaler's class, Isabella Heron. And Mr. Waite's class, Ashlyn Anderson. And then in our first grade groups, Mrs. Arnold's class, Ivy Madsen. Mrs. Brown's class, Remy Larkham. Miss Eccles' class, Jack O'Connell. Mrs. Florence's class, Zahara Alisi. Mrs. Holman's class, Reagan Passau. Mrs. Jackson's class, McKinley Marriott. Mrs. Mitchell's class, Britton Schroeder. And in Mrs. Snyder's class, William Zhang. Congratulations.
Hi Wildcat family, it's Mrs. Henderson in the art room, and I have Art in the Community Award recipients to congratulate and say thank you. These students have shared their artwork with the community, and you can see it on display at various locations. We have Zoe Matthews, Maverick Bollinger, Hayden Hosdorf, Cody Menino, Trenton Lindsay, Oakley Gibbons, James Morgan, Elijah Carver, Genevieve Oldman, Archer Barnes, Elio Ramirez, Lyndon Jomway, Easton Darby, Bryson Miner, Haley Brown, and Aria Herndon. Congratulations! These students will be receiving their artwork back in the classroom next month and also a certificate. So thanks again, Wildcat Artists, for sharing your artwork. We have another group of artists in a special art display. This display is at the Rock Haven Wound Care Clinic. When patients come in to receive their treatment, artwork is going to brighten their day, and I want to say a big thank you to these artists. Lyra Dominic, Abby Enderly, Ava Ty, Easton Schote, and Athena Parnell. These students, again, are making a difference with their artwork, and I'm so proud of them. I also want to give a big thank you to Miss Eccles' first grade class. They come to art ready to work, amazing teamwork as they encourage each other to do their best on their artwork. Super engaged class and awesome teamwork at cleanup. So I want to thank them with a big thank you. Also, I want to thank the families for coming to our event March 9th. We had artwork throughout the hallways, over 450 original works of art on display, and I want to again say thank you for that. I hope you guys all have a great rest of your day. See you next time.
Good morning, HES. Coach Michael here. I am going to present Sportsmanship Awards for this month. The class that won the Sportsmanship Award is Miss Schenker's class. Congratulations, guys. First grade, Meredith Blowers and Brady Snyder. Second grade, Georgie Kaufman and Keegan Coltrane. And third grade, we have Kinsey Moreland and Aiden Miller. Good job, guys, this month on your sportsmanship, and keep up the hard work.
Good morning, Wildcats. This is Mrs. Lahman, and I am going to present the Library Award to a first grade class. They are so sweet and kind, and I always enjoy their visits to the library. So I'm giving the Library Award to Mrs. Jackson's class. Congratulations.